Children, now third class mathematics subtraction. What is our chapter now? Subtraction. Say subtraction spelling, children. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction. Now page number. Already these problems will completed, children. 44. Page number 44. Okay, good. Now page number 45. Then previous class too I am explaining this all. Are you completed, children? Good. Next, how much did Pinky spend? Pinky wanted to buy fruits. One day she went to Rangamma and bought some fruits for 245 rupees. The next day she bought fruits for 28 days, less than the previous day. How much money did Pinky spend on the second day? See here. Money spent on first day. How much money she spent? 245. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So write, children. Properly write, children. Ones place to ones place number, tens place to tens place number. Right? Money spent less on second day. How many? Pinky spent 28 rupees less than the 245 rupees. It means she spent 245 minus 28. So money spent on the second day 245 minus 28. So first of all, hundreds how many having? 2. Tens how many having? We wrote this like first of all 10 fours, ones, 5. Next second step. See, children. So here in ones place to 5 having, in down also ones place to 8 having. So up only small number having, down is big number having. So subtraction is possible now, children. So 8 minus 5 only doing. Don't do like that. That is wrong. So subtraction is directly not possible. But subtraction is possible. Directly not possible. What saying I am? Directly not possible. So we'll take here borrow. See here. We cannot take 8 ones from 5 ones. So we borrow 110. We borrow 110. So 110 means 10 ones. 110 means 10 ones. 110 equals to 10 ones only. So this 10 is borrow will going this ones place to. Which place to? Ones place to. So here. So 10 already will going only here too. So remaining how many tens having? 3. So 3 tens. So 1 will borrowing only. So how many here? How many ones having here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 ones. Minus. Now 15 minus 8 only possible? Yes. So we'll do here only. See here. Wait, children. Okay. See here. So here 15 having. So 8 ones will be cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Remaining how many? 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. How many tens? 3 tens having again. So down tens place 2. 2. 3 minus 2. How much? 3. So we'll cut 2 tens. Remaining how many tens having? 1 10. How many? 2 tens will be cutting here. So 110 only remaining. So here writing. Next 10 ones place will be completed. Tens place also completed. Ones place completed. Tens place also completed. Now hundreds place. So 200s. Here hundreds place number is there? No. So we'll take directly 2 hundreds. How many hundreds are? Now is hundreds. 200s are left. So 200s. So Pinky spent how much money? 217 to buy fruits on the second day. 217 rupees. Next one. In that page only. Try this problem. Rani has 342 rupees. Akila has 125 rupees less than Rani. How much money does Akila have? 342, 125. So think, does Akila more than 150? Less than 150? So we'll doing now. So directly is not possible. Here to here will take borrow. So 110 will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones will taking here too. So here 3 tens only having. See. So 5 will cutting only. Now become how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 having. 12 to 5 cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next tens here. How many tens remaining? 3. So down 2 tens having. So 2 tens will be cut it. So remaining 110. 110. See here. Here how many hundreds having? 3 hundreds down 100. So 100 will be cut it. Remaining 2 hundreds. Hundreds how many? 2. So 217. 217. Next one. Baby tortoise is 47 years old. Mother tortoise is 160 years old. By how many years is baby tortoise younger than the mother tortoise? Age of mother tortoise. Mother tortoise age 160 years. So baby tortoise age is 47 years. So 160 minus 47. See here, before question only. Think, does Akila have more than 150 or less than 150? More than 150 only. Yes. 217 is more than 150. Here 160 minus 47 more than 100 or less than 100? More than 100 only. See here, we'll do 0 minus 7 directly is not possible. We'll take borrow, become 10. So 10 minus 7, how much? We'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining 3. So here 1 will borrow will going 5 tens. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens. 5 tens to 4 cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 1 10. So how many hundreds having here? Only 1. So we'll write 1. Baby tortoise is 113 years younger than the mother tortoise. Yes, more than 100 or less than 100? More than 100 only. Good children. Next one. Gauri has read 194 pages of a storybook. Shweta has read 128 pages of the storybook. Who has read more pages? How many more? See here 194 minus 128. Here 4 minus 8 directly not possible. So we'll take borrow. Here become 14. Here 8. 14 minus 8. Right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in these two 8 cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 8 minus 2. How many tens having? 8 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 cut it. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1 minus 1. So how many hundreds having? 100. So how many cut it? 1 cut it. So 0. 66. So 194 minus 128 less than 100 or more than 100? Less than 100. Next one children. 274 minus 29. See here. Here also same 14. 6. 14 minus 9. So children, till 10 to 14 will be counted. Understand? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 2. Here also same. 15. So here 3. 15 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Next one. Sorry. Here 3 minus 2 directly is possible. 1. 4 minus 9 directly not possible. We'll take borrow. 14 minus 9 5. So here already 1 went. So 0. 51. Next one 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 2 directly is not possible. So we'll take borrow 11. 11 minus 2 9. So here 1 borrow will going. So 3. 391. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 7 is directly not possible. So we'll take borrow 11. 11 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. So here 2 only. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus. See children, this one only you are only do complete it. Okay children. In next class explaining I am next topic. Next class to explaining I am.